Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update on your Windows 11, that is KB50200044. So after installing this update, you might face some issues with Task Manager on your Windows 11 computer when you select dark or light mode. So if I go to Microsoft website, over here you can see KB50200044. This update, if you scroll down, over here you can see after installing this update, Task Manager might display certain elements in user interface in unexpected color. On affected devices, Task Manager should function as expected, but some parts of the UI might not be readable. You might be affected by this issue if you have choose your mode set to custom in personalization color section of setting. So if you go to personalization in Windows 11 settings and if you go to colors, if this is set to custom, only then you are facing the problem. So if this is set to custom, then you might face issue with the task manager. So you can simply over here select, if you want light mode, you can select light from here, and if you want dark mode, you can select dark from here. So instead of selecting custom, don't select custom. If you want light, you can select light. If you want dark, you can select dark, and that should fix the problem. So over here you can see if you are using dark or light for the choose your mode settings, you should not be affected by this issue. So instead of selecting custom directly, you can select dark or light from here, and you should not be affected if you select choose your mode. So from choose your mode, if you select dark or light mode. So this is a workaround right now. Or if you want, if you don't want to do this, in that case, you can simply uninstall the update. If you want to uninstall the update, you can go to update history and then scroll down. At the end, you can see uninstall update, and then you can click on uninstall for this update, that is KB50200044. So click on uninstall, and let the uninstall complete. Now, once the uninstall is complete, you restart your computer. So make sure that you restart your computer after the uninstall is complete. So make sure this uninstall is complete, then restart your computer. So after the system restart, when you go to Windows Update, it might install the same update again. So when you click on check for update, you might see the same update again. So for now, the workaround is to go to personalization and then go to colors, and then you select the dark or light mode from here, and you should not face any problem with the task manager. You should be able to read it properly, and there should not be any unexpected color. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.